And off it goes. And it has taken off. A big round of applause, guys. Look how impressive it looks. Look how it dominates the sky. The roar of its engine, and it's upside down. Crazy flying. Impressive piloting skills by Mr. Somnath. You can feel the presence it has in the air. A 55cc gas engine gives this plane strong and steady power. And this impressive maneuver by Mr. Somnath. Crazy series of rolls. Look at the agility, the control that Mr. Somnath has over his aircraft. Big petrol powered planes like this are all about authority, and this one shows it. A low flying, hovering. Mr. Somnath hovering his aircraft. He's about to perform a high alpha maneuver. A smooth turn. And bring the RC aircraft back. Smooth hover. You can see Mr. Somnath flexing his skills, flying slow enough for us to see the beauty of the aircraft. This is a great example of how stable a big petrol plane can be. Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. Somnath and his pilot skills. Mr. Somnath showing complete authority over the RC aircraft. The aircraft carrying its weight extremely well into a series of torque rolls and off into the skyline again. Another series of amazing rolls. The rolls won't seem to stop. That was a very long roll. Mr. Somnath breaking the limits, showing us what true experience and skills bring to the world of RC aircraft flying. A crazy snap roll. You can hear the engine sound roaring through the sky. Another crazy snap roll. A big round of applause, guys. Prop solid flying right there. You can see the elegance and the power at the same time. Such a beautiful combo. Some inverted circuit Mr. Somnath absolutely locked in with his RC aircraft.
Don't disturb me.
A knife edge circle.
I think everything I have. But I'm sorry.
A series of roads. This plane showing the rightful reason why it dominates the sky today. A crazy loop-de-loop with rolls in between. Moments like these, guys, are what makes you love the RC aircraft and air modeling even more. Another inverted flying into a knife edge. Mr. Somnath just flexing his control over his aircraft. The aircraft moving with real confidence. And it comes down low. And that is a smooth landing. A big round of applause for this amazing show that Mr. Somnath just put up for us. We can see the plane come into the pits and look how beautiful it is.